Hello, Gus, and everyone over there at Cabinet Artistry, Fine Kitchens and Baths. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for talking to my colleague Matt yesterday. This is the video we promised to send you. We were taking a look at your website and wanted to offer you 3 free tips on how to optimize it and actually use it as an asset to draw in more clients. The reason I do this is because a lot of business owners these days don't have enough time to actually develop their websites, and I just wanted to offer you 3 free tips to take care of your online asset and have it bringing in more customers instead of paying for advertisements. And another reason is that we know these days about 90% of adults, when looking for local services, they use Google to search for local services if they don't know the name of the company. 70% of those will click on this first page and not leave the first page. So it's important to be here to organically grow traffic. Let's say someone's searching for kitchen cabinets in New Jersey. I have a tool that can analyze this keyword, this search phrase. It's called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool. And as you can see here, about 150 people search for it every month. So to be on the front page is pretty important to organically get this traffic without any advertising. It will save you money just using your already existing asset. So the 3 tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has everything to do with what's on your site. All the text, all the pictures, what the pictures are saved as. Google does read the saved name of your pictures and all the text behind the pictures. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your front page, authoritative text. Now I can see you don't have any text here that explains who you are, what you do. I'm sure in the back pages you have this, but I can see most of your pages have very little text. It's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text to optimize. And by authoritative text, I mean text that shows who you are, what you do, the locations you serve, etc. So I would encourage you guys to add a lot more text to your pages, especially your front page. Even within those texts, saturate them with the keywords that people would search for. For example, kitchen cabinets in New Jersey. We saw that you get about 150 people searching for that every month. So for Google to put you at the front page, in front of the people who are searching for this, you need to include these the kind of keywords that people are looking for within that text. Second thing I want to talk about are citations. Now, back to the search, you'll see when you type in a keyword search in Google, especially if it's location based, first thing you'll see are Google ads. These are always hit or miss because a lot of people these days have ad blocker. So they may not see these ads. So whoever's putting an ad here, it's always hit or miss, I tell them. Second thing you see is known as the map pack, where you have a map and 3 businesses. Now, to rank here in this section comes down to citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories like Yelp, Dexnos, yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. The more directories, the more authoritative directories you're in, the higher you'll appear in the map pack. There are tools out there that you can discover where your competitors appear and put yourself in those directories. I wouldn't stop there. I'd go and surpass them by maybe 50 different citations so that you stay on the top here and people click on you and you get this organic traffic without having to pay House or Angie's List, etc. The third part of the search here has to do with backlinks. This is called the organic listings. Now, I'm going to take your competitor here, My House Kitchen, and I'm going to analyze their website to look at their backlinks, compare them with yours. But before I get started, a backlink is just anywhere on the internet that a different web page links to your site. So for example, if there's a forum in New Jersey on kitchen showrooms, and they have a link to they have a blog with a link to your site, that's counted as a strong backlink. It's in the same niche, and Google recognizes that and sees that you're an authority if you're connected to such web pages, if you have such backlinks. A weak backlink would be, say, an ice cream shop in Philadelphia having a link to your site. Nothing to do with you, not in the same niche. Google recognizes that and sees it as a spammy backlink. Using the same tool Ahrefs, which is a popular tool, like I said, I put your competitor's website here, and I can see that they have about 657 backlinks, and they're ranking for about 867 keywords. Your website has about 212 backlinks, and you're ranking for these keywords here, 9. And by that I mean, for these words, these phrases are found on your site. And this tool can tell me how many times a month these phrases are being searched for and how much traffic you're getting from them, because you're in a very low position in Google searches, probably on the third or the fifth pages for all of these. So that's why you're getting almost zero traffic. Your competitor, however, let's look at their keywords. So you can see, for example, NJ kitchen cabinets, New Jersey kitchen cabinets, about 150 people search for that. That's what I had said before. And your competition gets 12 people going straight to their website because they're in the 4th position. So it's important to have more and more keywords that your competitors have, and also to have more and more backlinks, stronger backlinks than your competitors. Therefore, you start to rank higher for those keywords, and you'll start to actually take some of your competitors' traffic away to your site instead. So hopefully with these 3 tips, citations, content, and backlinks, you'll be able to attract more people coming to your site. Please hand these tips over to your website person or your SEO person. Have them implement them. You can implement them yourself right now if you have enough time. One other thing I wanted to mention: your website is not secure. It's important to have it secure. Google also recognizes that. So this has something to do with the platform your site was built on. Please go on there and enable the site security. This will help you also just to keep your site secure, and no one can mess around with it. Thank you very much. Those are the 3 tips. Hopefully you can implement them. If you want to discuss how we can do this together, partner together again, my name is Charles. I'm with Warley Digital, and you can reply to this email or give me a call at any time. Thank you and have a great day.